Welcome back. Let's do question 114. Solve for x, and we're given a third equation. So what we need to do when you're solving a third equation like this, we need to isolate the third. So what we do, we can transpose 7 root x to the right hand side and transpose negative 12 to the left hand side. And then what we have, x plus 12 is equal to 7 root x. So now we've isolated the term with the set. Now we can square both sides of the equation. So it's x plus 12 squared is equal to 7 root x squared. This is a square binomial. So remember what we do. You square the x, becomes x squared. And then take the sign is plus. And then you say 2 times the product of x and 12. So it's 2 times x times 12, which is 24x. And then you square the last term, which is always positive, 144. You see that? You can do that. But now let's do it the long way. X plus 12 is equal to 7 squared is 49. Root x squared is x. And then x times x, that is x squared, plus 12x. And then we've distributed x. Let's distribute 12. 12 times x, that is 12x. Then 12 times 12, that is 144. Is equal to 49x. And then you can get x squared plus 24x plus 144 is equal to 49x. You see that we have that part there. Let's write our equation in standard form. So we're going to subtract 49x from both sides of the equation. 24x minus 49x, that is negative 25x. So we have negative 25x. Then plus 144 is equal to 0. And then we look for the factors of 144 that can give us what? That can give us negative 25. It should be negative 16 and negative 9. But let's say this gives you a problem to factorize. You can even use the quadratic formula here. So x minus 16, x minus 9 is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to 16 or x is equal to 9. Okay, there's another method we can use. Let me show you. So we say x minus 7 root x is equal to negative 12. So this is like x minus 7x to the power 1 over 2 is equal to negative 12. Right. Remember, x to the power 1 is just the same as x to the power half, and then squared. If you raise this power to this power, x to the power half squared, you get x minus 7x to the power half is equal to negative 12. Now we have a repeating item here, x to the power half, x to the power half, so you can use the k method. Let k be equal to x to the power half. So it becomes k squared minus 7k is equal to negative 12. Let's write this in standard form. K squared minus 7k plus 12 is equal to 0. Right, and then the factors that can give us 12, if you multiply them, and give us negative 7. If we add them, it's negative 4 and negative 3. So k minus 3, k minus 4 is equal to 0, meaning that k is equal to 3 or k is equal to 4. Right, but remember, k is what? X to the power half. So we're saying x to the power 1 over 2 is equal to 3 or x to the power 1 over 2 is equal to 4. Then what do you do? These are rational exponents. You square both sides. Square this, square this. Square this, square this. We get that x is equal to 9 or x is equal to 16, which is just the same as that.